shadow, every gleam, carry truth inside the dream. Elders sit upon the rock, listen to the time tick tock. Stone remember, sun reveal, both combine to help we heal. Mountains speak in morning tone, sunlight crown the sacred stone. Every crop a path of flame, God by ages, not by name. Babylon gold soon decay, stone and sun still light the way. Every heat and every shine make the truth align divine. Poet kneel and close his eyes, stone beneath and fire rise. Every verse a blazing chord, echo Jah eternal word. No illusion cloud the mind, stone and sun forever bind. Balance born in earth and fire, fill the soul with firm desire. Workers sing beneath the ray, stone beneath his feet each day. Every hammer, every sound, blessed by sun upon the ground. Even pain become a light, stone of peace, son of mine. Every heart, both young and old, carry warmth instead of cold. Shine, shine, morning flame, stone remember Johnny. Stand, stand firm and true, sunlight bless what hands can do. Stone and sun, bright and pure, anchor faith that will endure. Never fading, never done, balance rising everyone. Ever glowing, bold and free, stone and sun eternity. Sacred bond from old to new, light and earth renew the view. Oh, time. Oh, yeah. Round and round, no end, no start. Circle of unity, join each heart. Not divided, not apart. Circle of Jah holy heart. Babylon wall can't intervene. Circle of Zion pure and clean. Every hand a prophecy. Circle bond eternity. Children dance and youth proclaim. Circle of Jah holy name. Elders sing and clap the hand. Circle spread across the land. Not Unlike the sun, unlike the moon, circle shine a righteous tune. All creation testify, circle of Jah never die. Eternal promise, strong and free, circle of unity, eternity, round forever, pure and strong. Circle chant Jah song, join, join, hand in hand. Circle cover all the land, stand, stand, bold and free. Circle shine eternally. Yeah, circle of unity, strong and true. Bind together, me and you, never ending, never fall. Circle of Zion, bless them all, forever shining, bold and free. Circle of unity, eternity. Walked of the righteous, bold and true. Walk this path so narrow, true. Guided light for me and you. Step by step we move along. Path of Zion keep us strong. Every stone a lesson learned, every turn a fire burn. Babylon road lead astray, path of truth the righteous way. Traveler carry heavy load, find the light upon the road. Every mile a holy sign, path of mercy still divine. Even when the night is long, path of Zion keep them strong. Every crossroad choice is clear, path of Jah forever near. Children walk with smile and song, path of peace them all belong. Elders guide with wisdom old, path of truth worth more than gold. Babylon gate may try to close, path of Zion still it shows. Every journey, every land, path is led by Jah. Storm may rise and darkness fall, path of truth outshine it all. Footsteps echo steady tone, path of Zion lead us home. No corruption block the way, path of light still shine today. Every heart it sanctify, path of Jah will never die. Generation one by one, walk the path until it done. From the sunrise till the night, path of Zion shining bright. Everlasting, strong and pure, path of truth shall still endure. Righteous guide and holy flame, path of Jah remain the same. Walk, walk, steady stride, path of Zion be the guide. Shine, shine, righteous way, path of truth forever stay. Path of the righteous, bold and true, guide the people, me and you. Never breaking, never fall, path of Zion bless us all. Forever shining, pure delight, path of truth, keep Jah light. Zion reggae, your man. Me wake in the valley of death, just spirit beating on me chest. Me walk through the flame and storm, still my soul stay warm. No fear, no chain, no lie, just truth me amplify. Them try fi twist the word, but me still spread your word. Me roar like lion strong, righteous in every song. Them can't trap the free, Jah dwelling on me. Every chant me send, truth nah bend. Me sight the wicked plot, but Jah forget them not. Them build throne from greed, but me plant love seed. Truth sharp like lightning flash, cut through the trash. Lion heart never tame, stand in Jah name. Yeah. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Me no fight with gun or blade, me fight with word me laid. Every lyric pure and deep. Wake the sheep from Zion, come the call. Lift up all, me chant until my voice grow hoarse, but me stay on course. Ayayay, the youth them lost in vanity. Me bring clarity, them fed by social chain. Me wash them brain, truth stronger than the gold. Forever bold, me chant till dawn again. Free from pain, lion roar through Babylon gate. Them can't relate when truth step in at the place. All false erase, Jah fire clean and bright. Turn wrong to right. Wait, lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Lion of truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Lion of truth, never fall. Answer Jah call. So when the system try deceive, me still believe. Lion heart inside we all answer the call. Morning breeze touch the land, Jah guidance in a me hand. The earth breathe, the rivers flow, love and wisdom ever grow. Me see the people rise and stand, hand in hand across the land. The elders teach, the youth learn, root vibration start to burn. Me chant for justice, me chant for peace. Every soul find release. No fear, no hate, no vanity. Only love and unity. From the mountains to the sea, Just spirit set we free. Every chant, every song carry blessings all day long. Me plant the seed, me water deep. In me heart, the roots keep. The rhythm flow, the drums beat strong. Lift the people with the song. Yeah, roots are waiting, rise again. Cleanse the world from Babylon pain. One heart heart, one song, one flame. Jah love remain the same. Plant the love, spread the light, guide the youth through the night. We see the children dance and play. Hope return for the day. Elders laugh, the sun shine bright. Blessings flow from morning light. Every man, every woman free in a harmony. The city streets, the countryside, roots vibration spread worldwide. Me chant for truth, me chant for right. Carry Jah power in a delight. Every hand join, every voice sing. Let the joy and freedom ring. Me see the sign, me hear the call. Jah love ever guide us all. No wall can break, no chain can hold. Truth and wisdom strong and bold. Yeah, roots awakening, rise again. Cleanse the world from Babylon pain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah love remain the same. Plant the love, spread the light, guide the youth through the night. So keep the roots within your heart. Every day a brand new start. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Na na na. Ganja is the healthier man. River of love. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. River of mirrors wide and still. Show the soul its inner will. Every ripple tell a tale. Truth beneath the silver veil. Look within, not just around. River echoes sacred sound. From the sky the light descend. The river wash the soul again. Elder see the vision clear. River whisper in his ear. Every face reflect the time. Every current come a rhyme. Babylon shadow fade away. River shine the brighter day. No illusion, no disguise. Only clarity in eyes. Poet right beside the stream. River flow through every dream. Every stanza bright and new. Mirror show what's always true. Every truth and every lie. Wash beneath the open sky. River guide the lost to peace. Flowing truth that never cease. Yeah. Farmer dip is on below. River teach the seeds to grow. Every drop a sacred sign of connection, pure divine. No more hunger, no more war. River heal the pain before. Every tide both fierce and free carry voice of unity. Flow, flow, river wide. Carry true and never hide. Shine, shine, calm and clear. River guide the soul sincere. River dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da 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 dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum. River of mirrors, calm and wide, show the world what live inside. Never fading, pure and true. River sing of me and you. Ever moving, bold and free. River hum eternity. Sacred water, endless stone, river of mirrors, light we home. Ayayay, ayayay, kaya kushina de lung yaman. On the mountain, high and still, temple of wind, moved by will, no stone wall, no golden gate, only breeze where spirits wait, every whisper, soft and low, temple of wind begin to blow, every echo, free and wide, carry truth the world can't hide. Lift his voice and pray. Temple of wind reply today. Every sound a sacred song, where heaven and earth belong. Babylon noise fade behind. Temple of wind clear the mind. Every breath a holy stream. Carry soul inside a dream. Traveler climb and close his eyes. Temple of wind within her eyes. No idol crown, no gem to see. Only breath of divinity. Every leaf a psalm unfold. Temple of wind, both young and old. Silent power, calm and deep. Temple God, the truth we keep. Poet writing gust and gale, temple of wind unveil the veil. Every word a current flow, temple of peace begin to grow. No wall, no door, no chain to bind. Temple live in every mind, free forever, wild and true. Temple of wind renew the view. Morning rise and night retreat. Temple of wind make life complete. Every sound become a prayer. Temple breathing sacred air. Ever moving, never still. Temple obey Jah will. Everlasting, fierce and grand. Temple of wind across the land. Blow, blow, mighty breeze. Carry soul beyond the seas. Temple of wind unseen, untamed. Called by no title, claim no name. Spirit moving, bold and true. Temple of life within you. Forever flowing, never bound. Temple of peace in every sound. Sacred current, soft yet strong. Temple of wind, sing